Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to use the Google Maps feature so you can explore locations around the world virtually. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below, and also subscribe to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials, and neat tips and tricks for everything digital and tech related. So the first thing you need to do is open up your internet browser. And there are a couple of ways to get to the Maps feature. So what you can do is go to google.com and in the Google search type Maps, and it's going to be the first link here, Google Maps. Another way to get it is when you're on google.com, if you come across here to the top right hand corner and click these boxes up here, and you should see you've got a list of different apps on here, and you need to click the Maps one here. And what's going to happen, it's going to load up a map of the area. Normally if you're logged into your Google account, it will actually load up your the area surrounding you to the address you've got registered on your Google account. So what you want to do is come up here to the top left hand corner, and I can click, and I can literally type anywhere in the world I want to go and visit. What about a nice beach somewhere? Let's go to Cape Town in South Africa. So again, I'm just going to type where I want to go here. As you can see, it's come up with some images. Now let's try again. So if you use these buttons here, you can actually zoom in and get a bit more precise if there's a certain street or somewhere like that you wanted to explore. So what I'm going to do is just give this another try. Just drag my little man across. Right, here we go. So you can see as I've moved the man over the map, I'm holding the left mouse button. You can see all these areas have actually gone blue. So these are all different streets and roads where I can drop him. What I'm going to do is just place him anywhere I want to go. So let's just go somewhere down here, for example, and that's going to come up now. So I am now in the Google Maps Street View. And to navigate around, what you can do, if you see I'm hovering my mouse and an arrow comes up. So you click the left mouse button to go forward, like so. You can also use on your keyboard the W key to go forward and the S key to go backwards. If you want to zoom out, if you come across down here in the corner, you've got a zoom button there, so you can zoom out and you can zoom in, like so. If you want to turn around on the map, this icon here just above the zoom, what you need to do is hold the left mouse button on that, and then basically just move it up or down. Sorry, these arrows at the side, sorry. If you click those, they'll rotate the view around. I think if you hold control, if you hold the control button on your keyboard and then hold the left mouse button and you move your mouse, you can actually move around in a kind of full 3D view, so you can look up, you can look down, etc. So in the bottom left hand corner, you've got a mini view of where you are here, and that's it really. And it's up to you. You can either use a mouse to navigate around, or you can use a keyboard. As I say, the S. If you use A and D on your keyboard as well, so D turns right, A turns left, so you can view around like this. See. So yeah, it's a good place. It's a good little feature if there's anywhere you're planning on going. Probably not anytime soon because of the lockdown. But if there's anywhere you're planning on going and you wanted to get a feel for the area, you can actually use this feature to have a look at the area and explore the area virtually. Also very good if you're, trying to find a place and you want to get a better view of the area, so you know what the place looks like. Say you're looking for a certain cafe or restaurant, you can just come and type it in here, and that will show you the image of what that place looks like. So I hope you found that helpful, and if it did help, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.